Hello everyone, hi, my name is WELTHA. Okay you guys, so today we're going to make some jerk chicken. Yes, I'm going to make it with some pineapple also, so we're going to feel like we're really in the Caribbean. Alright, so we're going to make some jerk chicken legs, okay? I'm going to use the chicken legs. So come on, come cook with me. Let's make some jerk chicken. Okay, let's get started. Okay, and you guys, I put little splits in my chicken like that, okay? So I can make sure I get all the spices in between the chicken also. So each chicken, I just put a split in each chicken, all around the chicken, okay? So if you want to do that, you don't have to, but if you wanted to, see, that's how I did it, okay? All right, so let me bring this chicken over to the countertop and we can get started. Okay guys, so here are all the ingredients that we're gonna use, okay? Everything I'm gonna use for this recipe is right here. And I forgot to put a little cooking oil over here, but it's right over here, okay? So we're gonna need some chicken, okay? And I'm using the chicken legs, drumsticks, okay? And then I'm gonna need some pineapples, and I'm using the canned pineapples for the bacon part of this dish. And then I'm gonna use my spices, and I'll show you up close. And I'm gonna use a little bit of spice with this habanero pepper, okay? I'm not using this whole thing because you know it's really hot. But I'm gonna use a little bit of that to give it a little kick, okay? All right, so let me show you oops, the oven's hot. All right, let me give you an up close and personal look at the ingredients, okay? Up close. Okay guys, so here are all the ingredients, okay? So we have the chicken drumsticks, okay? Chicken drumsticks. And then we're gonna have some pineapple, we have parsley, and I have my spices, which I'm gonna use some garlic herb seasoning. I'm gonna use some onion powder, okay? I'm gonna use some, oops, sorry guys. Gonna use some browning seasoning, okay? And then we're gonna use the jerk seasoning, okay? We're gonna make this easy. So I bought the jerk seasoning, okay? And then I'm gonna use some habanero peppers, okay? Which they look like this. But I did not use this whole thing because you know they're hot, honey. So I'm just gonna use a little bit, okay? And also parsley, all right? So here are all the ingredients that we're going to use today for this jerk chicken. We're making some jerk chicken, okay? All right, so let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna move this to the side, and I'm gonna get the red bowl because it's bigger. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use my red bowl. All right, so I'm gonna put the chicken in this red bowl because it's bigger and I need room. And I need to find my gloves. Hold on. Let me wash my hands and find some gloves. Okay. All right, you guys. So first I'm gonna start off by adding some garlic herb. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna add some onion powder. Okay. I think I'm about to sneeze. Okay. Excuse me, you guys. Okay. I guess it's seasoned good, huh? I'm sneezing. All right, so let me get a spoon. And just add all the spices that I'm gonna add. Okay, now I'm gonna add, I'm not gonna add black pepper, okay? But I'm gonna add the jerk seasoning. Oops, sorry. Ooh, honey. So Ugh, a little too big. Get a smaller spoon. I don't know why I got the brownie seasoning. I just got it because I saw most people use the brownie seasoning also. So I'll just put a little bit still. Okay. And then I'm going to use the brownie. Okay. Alright. And then you guys, I'm going to add my little. Okay, oven, I'm coming. Habanero pepper. And then I'm going to add some pineapple. I'm going to cook this with the pineapple, you guys. Alright, and then I'm just going to stir all this together. I'm going to put this in a pan and we're going to bake it for about 45 minutes. We're going to have some jerk chicken. Okay. Make sure it's fully covered on all the pieces of chicken. And then we'll add it to the pan. Let me get my pan. Okay. Alright, so let me get the pan. Hold on, you guys. Okay. I have my pan. So now we're going to add it to the pan. Alright. I'm going to put just a little bit. Just a little bit of oil in the bottom. Alright. Now I'm going to add my chicken. Some of these pieces of chicken are pretty big, you guys. That's why I put the splits in the drumsticks. Because they're pretty big. Okay. Ooh. Okay. How many more? One more after this. Okay. I'm just going to add all the seasoning. I'm trying to get those chunks of pineapple that I got. I feel like I'm on an island somewhere eating some jerk chicken. Yeah. Alright, let me put this away. I think I need to add extra sauce on the sides of the pan. Okay. Alright, let me take off these gloves. I'm ready to wash. A little bit of parsley before it cooks, and then we'll add some when it's after it cooks also. Okay? So just a little bit of parsley, and we're going to save some for after. Okay. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just gonna put this in the oven. Let me clean the pan off. All right. Now I'm just gonna add this to the oven, and the oven is on 400. I'm gonna cook this on 400 degrees, okay? For about 45 minutes. And it should be ready. Okay? Okay, and that's how she's looking right now, you guys, before we bake it. Okay? This is before we bake it, okay? So now we're gonna put it in the oven, okay? Remember, it's on 400 and it's gonna cook for about 40 to 45 minutes, okay? Okay, I'm gonna put it on the top shelf in the middle, okay? Push it on back there. I'm not gonna put a lid on it, okay? All right, so we'll see it in like 40 to 45 minutes, okay? Okay, you guys, so I have about 10 more minutes, 10 to 15 more minutes before I'm supposed to take it out, but I wanted to flip it over. Well, some of those legs look pretty big, huh? So I'm just flipping it over, and I'm glad to see that the color is better when you flip it over. I know it's supposed to be dark, but I just don't like it when it's too dark. So I'm just flipping it over. All right, so I flipped them all over. Now we're gonna let it finish cooking, okay? All right. All right, you guys, I'll be back, okay? Okay, and I'm gonna turn my stove up. So I'm gonna bake it at, let's turn it up a little bit. Oh girl, hold on. So big, and then I'm gonna put it down. Let's see, 420. Okay. Okay, so my alarm went off. It's been 40 minutes, but I know it's not ready, so I'm gonna let it cook for about 15 more minutes, you guys. Okay? Okay. Jerk chicken, you guys. Look at that. Turned out good. Okay. All right, so we're gonna make a plate. We're gonna set this up so that it can look really delicious. So hold on. Okay. Let me show you. That's the jerk chicken. All right. So we're gonna put this in a plate right now, okay? I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, okay? Okay, guys. So next, let me show you guys how I'm gonna plate this. Okay. Let me get a paper towel. Hold on. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna move this to the side, okay? And then I'm gonna put this over. Voila! Look what I got. I'm gonna make it look like we're in the islands, okay? All right, so now we're gonna put the chicken on the plate. Oops. Okay. Let's see if my vision comes alive. Okay. So I'm just adding all of the chicken, you guys. Okay, and dip it in the sauce again. Okay, Okay. Wait. This one right there. That, just like that. Okay. And then next, you guys, I'm gonna add my parsley. Okay. Make sure you don't add the habanero pepper if you don't like your food spicy. I just feel like eating spice today. Okay. And that's how we're gonna set that up. All right, you guys. All right, a little more over here. And you have your jerk chicken. Spicy jerk chicken. Okay, let me clean the plate up, you guys, and I'll be right back. And there you have it. We have jerk chicken. And it's the drumsticks, you guys. Okay. There you have it. Delicious jerk chicken. I'll give you a closer look. That looks delicious. Okay. And there you have it. You have jerk chicken. There you have it. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And thanks for watching. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video, okay? And I'll see you on the next one. And my shorts video is coming soon, okay? It's coming. Okay guys, and for my new subscribers, welcome. Thanks for checking out my channel, and I hope you enjoy all my recipes. And I just want to let you know that for each long form video, I make a shorts video for each recipe, okay? So there's a long form video for the recipe, and there's a shorts video for each recipe. So be sure to check out both of them, okay? Because my shorts is where I like to spread my wings. And I like to show my creativity and just have fun with my shorts. So you're gonna see a lot of fun, creativity in my shorts. So, and you also see the delicious food. So check out my shorts videos also, okay? And enjoy. And thanks for dropping by my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button also while you're here, okay? And the shorts video to this video is coming soon.